Hello everyone. Today I'm at the Ballarat Repair Cafe, which is in Berkeley Square on the last Saturday of the month from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. We've got a crew of repairers in here, and we've got another room full of repairers, and today my first job is to fix the handle on a little wood shave. The handle on the wood shave has got all wobbly, so I'm just going to arrow dart it up and see how that goes, and that'll be the first job. So I'll bring you back shortly. So I'm going to repair the wobbly handle on the wood chair with some 5-minute arrow dart. I'll just fill all the space up with the arrow dart, let it set, and that should end up as a good repair. Here we are now. I've filled up the metal end, forgetting what to call it, the little metal thing that holds the handle. I filled that up with 5-minute arrow dart. I squashed it all together, and then I wiped off the excess arrow dart, and now I'm waiting for the arrow dart to set, and that should be the first repair complete, and it should turn out well, I hope. Now it's quite cold today, so the 5-minute arrow dart is taking a bit longer to set. So now I'll move on to my second repair job. The second repair job is a wooden table, which is quite a nice looking wooden table. It needs a bit of probably oil on the top, make it look nice, and it rocks. It's uneven because the legs are loose and they need re-gluing, and I thought to myself, that's a really nice easy job. Other people are fixing toasters and typewriters, and I thought, oh, they look a bit hard, so I'll glue the legs onto the table. Looking at the table repair, one of the legs is still firm, one of the legs is a little bit loose, and two of the legs are quite loose. So I think it'll just be a job with a bit of acrid here and maybe scraping out some old glue. There's a fair bit of work fixing the legs on this table. We had to drill out a new dowel. We did that. We glued it all up, got it to sit nice and square, and we've rubbed some linseed oil over it. And I think the owner will be really pleased because it looks heaps better. So that is pretty much it for today at the Repair Cafe, but it was a fun day.